have for breakfast. I am making rice over there. I am going to eat this sausage with it. I've had this for my Cajun broil when I made it for Valentine's Day. And I had 1 pack left over. I'm gonna eat it with my rice. I love rice. Cook this up on the pan, eat it with my rice, and maybe kimchi. Let's go to the stove. There we go. Heat up the pan, cook the sausages. I'm gonna heat this up and cook it for a couple minutes, and the rice smells so good. I haven't had rice in a week. Rice. Let's see how it turned out. Woo. And there it is. It's white rice, brown rice, and then these beans that we put in, and it makes the rice super duper healthy. So, yay! I like mine burnt. Don't judge. The egg. Voila. Let's eat. Egg looks good. Oh yeah. That rice, this is so delicious. Now for this burnt sausage. Oh yeah. This sausage is delicious. It has that smoky flavor. So if you can burn it, just overcook it just a little bit like that. Oh my god. It tastes even better with rice. It was very good in my seafood broil, but with rice, oh, it's bomb. My egg, rice. Oh, there's another sausage under there. If you want to impress someone with a bomb meal, but you don't know how to cook like I do, try this. They'll love it. If you need to pack lunch for work, for school, for a picnic, whatever, this is so good. Kids would love this too. I could eat this every day. And I fried this egg to perfection. I've never done that before. Look. Yum. I'm gonna finish my lunch, brunch, and I hope you try this dish. It is so bomb-beasy. If you do, let me know your thoughts, and I will see you in the next one.